Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. If you've been on my channel, you know that I'm a huge proponent of becoming a content creator, specifically a YouTube content creator. But this isn't for everyone. And today, I'm going to be talking about my top 5 reasons why you should not be a YouTube content creator. Starting with number 5, you need money. If you need money right now, then YouTube is probably one of the worst places you could go, because within YouTube, it takes time to actually generate income. And so if you're the type of person who's broke right now, who doesn't have any money, I would highly suggest you just go out and get a job. So moving on to number 4, you do not make the time. Okay, so a lot of people who are busy in the world will say that I don't have the time or I can't make the time, when the reality is you won't make the time. Now, I know that if you have a family, you have kids, you have other obligations, of course your time is going to be more limited, but everybody has 24 hours in a day. And so if you actually look at what you do throughout the day, then you can find maybe 5 minutes here, 30 minutes here that you can dedicate to being a content creator. And for most people, they simply won't make the time. So let's go ahead and get to number 3, and that is you do not like learning. If you don't like learning, then becoming a YouTube content creator or just becoming a content creator on any platform is not for you. Because we are on the internet, things change all the time, almost every single day, and every single platform goes through the same things. And so if you're not the type of person who enjoys learning, then you're either going to have to learn or not do this at all. So leading to number 2, you don't like helping people. I can't stress that enough, because whenever you become a YouTube content creator, you are primarily creating things that will actually help or give value to other people. People have to find something valuable about your content to actually watch it. Okay, so it's not all about you, because if you look at any successful channels, whether it's on YouTube or any of these other platforms, even social media, normally people come back for the person, for the personality, for whatever value that they're providing to them, whether it's entertainment, whether it's educational, whatever it is. That's why people come to you, because you are providing help. You're helping people get value out of what you created. So what is the number 1 thing that you should not be a YouTube content creator? Well, it's you're lazy. Plain and simple. If you are lazy, then being a YouTube content creator, being a creator is not for you. Because despite what some things you might see about getting rich quick on YouTube, or it's easy for you to become big on this particular platform, that's simply not the case. This is a business, and so with almost any business, it takes time and it takes a lot of effort. It takes a lot of work, and also it takes you a lot of consistency to keep putting in the work, especially in times where you feel like you do not want to do it. Okay, so those are my top 5 reasons why you should not be a YouTube content creator. And of course, I'm going to say, go try it anyway. So if you are any one of those things, then maybe try to see if you can improve upon that, or maybe just give it a shot. It might change the way that you think, and it might change some of the habits that you have. And so if you had any thoughts about this, leave it in the comments area below, whether you disagree or agree. And also, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to subscribe. And if you wanted to support my channel further, you could do that at patreon.com/geekoutdoors. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you actually wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then join my Go Content Creators group, where you would get access to 30 free videos and more continuing content for all their creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. All you have to do is simply go to the link below, head over to our page, and join my Go Content Creators group. Thanks a lot, and I will see you on the other side. Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, if you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to geekoutdoors.com, and I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.